Hey, what's up everyone? Today is going to be a pretty quick unboxing of the iRox gaming keyboard. It is a backlit keyboard. You can buy it on newegg.com. This is where I got mine. And it's really affordable actually. We're going to look at it today and see how it stands up to the hype that people have been leaving on there, and I will see what it looks like and how it performs. Now, I know it's an affordable keyboard, but people might say, "Oh, you should go for something that costs like $100 or anything." No, no, not at all. I have been gaming on a keyboard like this. Not sure if you can see that. This is like a $5 or $7 keyboard. I'm not sure. Very standard keyboard. I've been killing tons of people in Team Fortress 2 with this keyboard. It doesn't matter what keyboard you use. It comes down to you adapting to what you got. You know what I'm saying? So, play with what you have. You might get used to it, and the keyboard shouldn't matter, really. I just like a keyboard with the backlit LEDs, so I can play at night and it'll look cool. And let's see how this bad boy works too, because the price, it's just very affordable, and I just couldn't pass this up. I said I had to get this. So we just taking this apart here. Has some plastic on the back. And here is the keyboard. Not sure if you can see that or not, because the lighting is kind of off in my room right now. Has a light right there on the space bar. Keys feel alright. Let's plug it up real fast and see if it lights up. Okay, Windows is installing the drivers right now, so let's wait and see what happens. I might need to turn it on. Yeah, there we go. Not sure if you can see that or not, but you can turn it off and on right there. It has legs on the back. There we go. Let's turn off the light here. And that's how it looks. It's not crazy bright or anything, but you can definitely see this in the dark with no problem. I kind of wish they had it in blue, but I don't see any option there for blue keyboards. There you see. So you can play games in the dark and have no problem. So yeah, this has been a quick unboxing of the iRox keyboard, gaming keyboard, backlit keyboard at that. Go to newegg.com and check it out. It seems pretty solid to me. I've been gaming on something that's way cheaper than this, so I don't have a problem with it. And other people who are true gamers shouldn't have a problem either, because the keyboard shouldn't matter. So, see you guys later. Peace out.